Welcome to our channel, where power rules. Watch massive wood-cutting machines in action, heavy transport in motion, and unexpected accidents unfold. If you love raw industrial power, subscribe now and stay tuned for more. This has to be one of the most insane rescues you'll ever see. Trucks literally hanging off the edge of a bridge. One wrong move, and it could have been a total disaster. Thankfully, the rescue team arrived just in time, turning a near catastrophe into a jaw-dropping save. What an absolute disaster. Whatever the boat's controller was trying to do, it clearly went horribly wrong. Cargo smashed, equipment wrecked. This was a costly mess. Safe to say, someone's career probably didn't survive this one. Now this is one high-tech garbage truck. A hydraulic line burst, spraying fluid straight into the exhaust. Boom, instant fireball. But luckily it burned out fast, and the driver walked away without a scratch. Just another day on the job, with a little extra chaos thrown in. In this demolition operation with the Cat 966H, it's obvious the operator is just waiting for the collapse. The truck got lucky this time, but had the structure come down sooner, it could have ended in disaster. Timing is everything in a risky situation like this. That's a prime example of why extreme environments require a strategic approach. Risky operations like this demand more than just courage. They need better planning and safer alternatives to avoid unnecessary danger. A fire on a truck is devastating, but it often comes down to not checking the basics. Road triangles, a fire extinguisher, and a first aid kit should always be on board. The driver's pre-trip inspection is crucial. Skipping that could turn a small issue into a disaster.
I was coming over with another one, but they showed up in time.
Crane collapses are almost always the result of poor load distribution and mistimed execution. In this case, premature rope tension likely accelerated the roof's failure. Without proper load planning and coordination, Disasters like this are inevitable. Precision isn't optional. It's the difference between control and catastrophe.
Происходит монтаж металлолома.
The tractor falling off the boat is a disaster waiting to happen. It's sickening to watch something like that unfold. Such a huge loss in both time and resources. Wow, a 57.5-meter turbine blade trailer just executed a flawless 90-degree turn on a tight Scottish bridge. This is where rear steering axles prove their worth, making the impossible look effortless when hauling oversized loads. Precision, skill, and engineering all come together in moments like this. Look at this white car causing a huge accident and then just driving off like nothing happened. No words. Follow the incredible journey of the Liebherr 984 excavator as it makes its way across a demanding mining site. Hauled by a powerhouse MNTGX 41.540 truck and a specialized heavy-duty trailer, this massive machine is transported with precision and control, ensuring a smooth transition to its next mission. Heavy hauling at its finest. A failed U-turn in Stockport brought traffic to a standstill and claimed the dignity of an innocent traffic cone. This mess could have been avoided with better planning or simply asking for guidance. Maneuvering a large truck isn't just about power. It's about precision, awareness, and knowing when to rethink your approach. Ever thought about what it takes to haul a beast like the Caterpillar 992G wheel loader across 700 kilometers? This isn't just another transport job. It's a full-scale operation requiring meticulous planning, precision teamwork, and an uncompromising focus on every detail. Moving machinery of this magnitude is no small feat. It's a testament to skill, coordination, and sheer determination. Hauling a bulldozer through deep snow is no easy task. Slippery ground, unstable ramps, and narrow paths turn every move into a challenge. In conditions like these, it's not just about power, it's about precision. Only a skilled operator can navigate this kind of terrain without disaster. Picture this. A massive Maersk container swaying dangerously in the wind, barely under control. Terrifying. It's a brutal reminder of how unforgiving nature can be and how quickly things can spiral if caution isn't a priority. One wrong move, and that's a disaster in the making. Maneuvering a crane through a mini roundabout? That's no simple task. This route pushes both the driver's skills and the equipment's limits to the brink. Every move demands precision, patience, and flawless planning to navigate those tight spaces without causing chaos. It's a challenge that requires more than just muscle. It's all about strategy. That's why they call it extreme trucking. A misjudged front corner, a blind spot, and a poorly calculated turn all led to a dramatic tire blowout. It's a chain of errors that could have been avoided with more careful planning and awareness. Let's break down what went wrong and how better decision-making could have saved the day. The truck hitting the sign is one thing, but that white car, what were they thinking? Complete lack of awareness. A true test of strength, 600 tons, 5 trucks, and still nothing moves. This level of challenge is rare. Check out this 580-ton machine building a bridge for a train. Absolutely remarkable. The power and precision required for a job like this are on another level. Check out the Komatsu 930E in action. This mining beast can haul a staggering 320 tons, and when it's time to unload, the hydraulic lift does all the work. Watching it dump its load is like witnessing raw power in motion. How to get your 14-ton digger off a silage pit? Definitely don't try this at home. It's a dangerous gamble, but somehow they made it work. At Thessaloniki Port, 3 massive transformers were moved with 9-axle THP-SL trailers in a TGX 680 truck. Unloading was executed with precision using Liebherr LTM. Have you ever seen a Sidewinder pod boat in action? It's rocking and rolling like a little ball of energy. I'm not sure if the operator's nailing it, but one thing's for sure, it's an incredibly cute little boat.
Fuck yeah. Oh yeah.
The Kiravet's K700, one of the toughest tractors around, got stuck hauling hay through mud and snow. Despite its power, the conditions were just too much. But no worries, help was already on the way. All right, picture this. Everything's set to unload, but oops, the rear door of the truck is still shut. Now it's too late to fix it. Guess you'll have to start over. The WC300, a beast of a machine, is clearing the path as it heads north towards Samar along the old DWP route. It's one of those moments where you just sit back and let the machine do its thing. Truly impressive. The Iveco Stralis 480 ran into trouble, tipping off the road due to the challenging dirt pass. Assessing the situation wasn't easy, but thankfully the rescue team arrived quickly to stabilize the vehicle and get it back on track.
Pegou ali e já foi pro pau.
With barely enough space to maneuver, the Riedler 3-axle trailer pulled off a clever turnaround. It's impressive how resourcefulness stands out when faced with tight, tricky situations like that. The Mad Max-inspired fuel truck from the Nightwolves Club rolls into Mogilev, looking like it belongs in Death Race. Honestly, it's a shame they didn't equip it with flamethrowers on the sides to really seal the deal. The Apus, a massive 14,052 TEU container ship, faced extreme weather while en route from China to the USA. That's wild. He just slipped off the road like it was nothing. Looks like the driver got lucky there. Definitely looks like a case of not paying attention. It's going to be a hassle for the insurance, especially with the damage. Hopefully they have coverage for that kind of mistake. Absolutely, reckless driving like that puts everyone at risk. It's pure luck that nothing worse happened. Drivers like that need to face consequences before something tragic occurs. Safety should always come first. That's it for today. From powerful machines to heavy transport and intense moments, there's always more to come. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next big action. See you in the next one.